The rigidity and the precision of a Stepcraft CNC system make it the perfect platform for cutting materials like carbon fiber and fiberglass. The problem is that when you cut these materials, the dust particles become airborne and it's hazardous to your health to breathe them in. To combat this, Stepcraft has just introduced a new line of milling baths for the 420, 600, and 840 machines. Now what the milling bath does is it allows you to take your fiberglass or your carbon fiber component and place it in a bath of water. So as you're machining the part, the dust is being trapped by the water instead of being released into the air, thus making it a much safer work environment for the end operator. So let's take a closer look at the water bath. The water bath is comprised of a metal pan that's secured to the Stepcraft machine with 6 points along the outer perimeter of the pan. On the inside, there's fixed posts going around the perimeter that have a nylon spacer, a nylon washer, and a nut. These are used to hold the carbon material or fiberglass material suspended in midair. Now what's unique about it are these magnetic posts, which you can place anywhere you want within the pan so that you can support smaller pieces of material. When securing smaller parts such as this piece of carbon fiber, we're going to use the 2 outside posts, and we sandwich the carbon fiber in between the nylon post and the nylon washer, and then tighten the nut on top to secure it in place. So what we're going to do is we're using 2 magnetic posts, one in this corner, and we're going to fit another post in this corner so that we hold the part securely, and then we're simply just going to tighten this down with a wrench, and we'll begin to fill the pan up with water and start our cutting process. The key is to make sure that you've fully submersed the part and that there's water overlapping the top of the piece.